So our next topic is about special cases of function. There are some special cases of a function which will be very useful. We discuss some of them below. First one is constant function, second one is identity function, third one is real valued function. Now first we are going to constant function. So we can see two sets are given, A and B, and you could see in B only one element is related with the all elements in A, that is 3, and remaining 1 and 2 are not related to any of the element of A. So this is called constant functions, that is only one element of B will be related to the all elements of A, that is called constant function. So next we are going to identity function. So identity function is nothing but A and B will be having the same set of elements. That is, here you could see, for example, XX, YY and ZZ. It is having the same set of elements. When these join together, it will be called as identity function. Next is real valued function. It is nothing but in B set it will have all the numbers we know. We know, that is, till 9th standard you are studied about natural numbers, whole numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers and integers. So these all numbers will come under real numbers, which is denoted by R, and it will be the subset of B, and the range of F will be the subset of all real numbers. That is, F of A is a subset of R. So I am going to the next example, that is the 17th one. Let f be a function from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 5. We have to find the value of A and B given that A, 4 and 1, B belong to F. So in solution, f of x is given that 3x minus 5, and it can be written as f equal to x, 3x minus 5, where x is real numbers. And A, 4 means that the image of A is 4. That is, f of A equal to 4. You can see 3A minus 5, that is f of A equal to 4. And 3A equal to 4 plus 5, this minus 5 is going that side and becomes plus 5. 3A equal to 9 and A equal to 9 by 3, so A is 3. And 1, B means the image of 1 is B, that is f of 1 equal to B. So that is 3 into 1 minus 5, that is equal to B. So B equal to minus 2. So our next example is number 18. The distance S in kilometers traveled by a particle in time t hours is given by S of t equal to t square minus t by 2. Find the distance traveled by the particle after first part is 3.5 hours and the second part is 8 hours and 15 minutes. So in solution, the distance traveled by the particle in time t hours is given by S of t equal to t square plus t by 2, and first part t equal to 3.5 hours. So this 3 hours is already given. I wrote 0.5 because half hour is the half of 1 hour. So in 100 it will be 0.50. In decimal we should write like this only, 3.5 hours. So that is, we'll substitute 3.5 in this place of t and we'll get S of 3.5 equal to 3.5 whole square plus 3.5 by 2. That is 15.75 by 2, that is 7.875 approximately. So the distance travelled in 3.5 hours is 7.875 kilometers. So in second part, my t is 8.25. I wrote 8.25 because I am having 8 hours and 15 minutes. 15 minutes is the quarter of 1 hour. So the quarter of 100 will be 0.25. Always will represent in hundreds the decimal, not in hours. So we'll write it the minutes in point. So we'll 8.25 hours. That is, S of 8.5 equal to 8.25 the whole square plus 8.25 by 2, that is 76.3125 by 2. that is equal to 38.15625. So the distance traveled in 8.25 hours is 38.16 kilometers approximately. So our next example is the 19th one. If the function f r to r is defined by f of x equal to, there are three functions, that is 2x plus 7 where x is smaller than minus 2, x square minus 2 where x is greater than or equal to minus 2 and smaller than 3, and a last function is 3x minus 2 where x is greater than or equal to 3. So we have to find f of 4, f of minus 2, f of 4 plus 2f of 1 and f of 1 minus 3f of 4 by f of minus 3. So I have represented these functions in my number plane. You could see from here to here it is the function x square minus 2, from here till infinity it is 3x minus 2, and from here till negative infinity it is 2x plus 7. So our first part's answer is, we see that x equal to 4 lie in the third interval, that is, so we can see 4 in the third function, that is third interval. So f of x equal to 3x minus 2, that is f of 4 equal to 3 into 4 minus 2, that equal to 12 minus 2, that is equal to 10. So in second part we could see x equal to minus 2 lies in the second interval, that is f of x equal to x square minus 2, that is f of minus 2 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Then in our third part we see from 1 f of 4 equal to 10. So to find f of 1, first we have to see that x equal to 1 lies in the second interval. So f of x equal to x square minus 2, that is f of 1 equal to 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. So f of 4 plus 2f of 1 equal to 10 plus 2 into minus 1, that is equal to 8. So in fourth part we know that f of 1 equal to minus 1 and f of 4 equal to 10. For finding f of minus 3, we see that x equal to minus 3 lies in the first interval, that is f of x equal to 2x plus 7, thus f of minus 3 equal to 2 of minus 3 plus 7, that is minus 6 plus 7 equal to 1. Hence f of 1 minus 3 f of 4 by f of minus 3 equal to minus 1 minus 3 into 10 by 1. So we get minus 1 minus 30, that is equal to minus 31.